mumaze kati tugenze alien skill kati ndowooza ye alien this time list nagambye sigenda kuwandika luyimba
omukulu nyingi
kinnemye okutegeera kiki naye ate nina answers zange nungi
kati kwano webabeera
for the first time in list taddeko artist gwenjagala abantu badispasinge
talina luyimba
sigambe talina luyimba nze sipostinze siyasoose nga sipostinze wabaddewo so toyinza kibuusa ati kati bwenzija mu alien the same applies to him on the other side tomanyi whether you're going to talk about aliens the person or the music because nebovaire ogamba enyimba za alien embi abantu zebasinga okuyimba genda kuba good example teri radio oba tv zikwapulenga nezikwali waliwo senyimba abantu zebasinga okuyimba sinekyo bazigaba so you have to understand why we became in Nairobi the first section of saying ngenze Kenya kyali kiina kyekibayimbi abakabibwa Kenya nga bawulira ngo mugenzi kyaliwo Sweden kimwongerako ki okubonera mindset yaki so nowulira nti kamiliyoni enviiri za green nowulira nti alina enviiri eziyimidde omukiti wamutwe nowulira nti red sun alina enviiri za red gamanga ebintu bimuvinga omuntu bifo nga tanawuliriza ki biyimba
There is a story I follow in school. As I was going to say, there's a practical training today. I am like this. It was in one of the
ayambala district bayambala district firebase naye obufaananyi bwe buli ku social media ne buvidio olwali yaleeta mu kavidiyo ako ogiraba ayambadde ya red yanyonyola n'agamba nti bagiyita peace This is information on internet. Not that. So, Tulmani,
it was their way of disrupting.
why? I have to exit fire.
Yeah. So, okay. Fast forward.
So, Alien
Alien.
is, we do this list 2 weeks before the end of the year. Because I was out, we sit, we talk, we shout. But yesterday, is a good example of what I'm trying to do. Radio is not public. So, Galaxy is people are playing this. No, but then you can see that everyone will be able to sing along. Perhaps was doing the same thing today, but to all songs he performs and the whole crowd is singing. She didn't get a master, but I mean, Alien is how old now? How many years now? Music? 2 years. 2 years. Ataka yimba ke mu studio ye kwejiye. Lunaku Monday, Friday, tubakakola ki? Nga oyinza okubeera awo ndowooza nzwe nataka amanyi. Naye ogenda okuwulira nga bakayimba. So, I want to analyze this, allow other artists okunoonya their strength and use it well. Thank you. Music is never about just a song. hitting is never about just a song. Whatever, senior commissioning woman, but there were good voices that failed to make it in the music industry. Which we never
this year, while I was
for him. Yes, he would have, but his was a one of kind of consistency. I tell you, it is not that it is too late for him to just do that. I mean, I'm so kind okay? That is so about Africa second because I know China was able to come and I've now went to say to some mindsets are nalinda abantu so kati sitambulira ku much so sobola okumpasingira alien n'agenda ku kisenge kye ofisi n'amuwandikira ntegera ya alien ngambe mu planning gaye alintegeera. So the discussion here I want to get is it news? No, abantu judging this kujanga kuba komo njagala bakudiscuss naye only eyo category gwamu nga ddala oli confusing.
Let's take a break. I always do and somebody will ask, why did they push interview the case that was related to legal side? Yes. Why did you feel it's very important?
I felt the issue was wrong. Whatever was done was wrong. But let's not forget, these are young people who need guidance rather punishing them extremely. Already on Zoom, you can come up with a player. Tell him to try now. Come here. Yagalo to be fighting a fact that me a cajona. Jeva Sibalu and a Bakuna Chile, so 1 million later. Mseguracho mkwatanzi kati hamsi pale wale tusali wala wakafika okay nae bam amatega kamusako ne bamusiba so ne basiga so dalabanga okay masomo kwa number 1 number 2 so let me barrel new so especially contegera oba contegera sikutambala bintu wanga I guide from the start. I didn't meet earlier in the spirit. I said, but you've all seen it. If I'm giving a comment in the list, now list na comment in the online, then na malana same. Can never guide him. I'm perfected. Are
you proud of it?
Yes, yes. I mean, Elliot is duplicating exactly what a real hardcore artist. How a real artist grows. C'est toi, what to be to say, Omega City Tensi say, Chibuli. I didn't take it on this road. So, what was into the Pola?
Okugenda na spraying
wenzija kupulani y'omufana w'emyaka 25 endala yange ey'emyaka 47 sembeera mutuufu omukono nga pulani n'emyaka 47 naye gwe buuza ku banne abali egi ekolawo banaganzi yakoze ekikyala. Scientifically gamba ddiini nti tosamba mupiira mu compound ojja kumenya amadinisi. Katikale nkimanyi nti nze naguza eki omupiira nemuleka nemusinkiriza kusambira wa ne bw'omugamba otya era bwagukuba kujja kuba kusonda embi kukuba eki endabirwamu. So kati mbamuzadde mukyala uliriza mbamuzadde mukyala ekwata ddiini nemukuba emboovu. Yes, nalibadde sabula ki mupiira nze mu positioni yange nsobola okugaa nti yakola kikyala bwembanga bwentaba ekiragiro byenakola byenkuze nkola ekipe nalinya ku meeza yanaabagereka nalina emyaka ebiri. How many people condemned me? Bunch. And where did it take me?
Let's take a break. This is
wakafana yako ngaye nasibairira bwati kyokanga mwabaganda mugamba naliemeza yake nino nabagereka yali yakava bungereza abitegeera
last year nagamba abadde agezaako okugaidinga ali nereera akizemu nagamba
yengaidinga waliwo ebintu typically byensobola omugaidiinga. Alien comes from a different world. He doesn't come from my background. Sosobola kwefulanta nze mmanyi background ye mmanyi nnyo no kati nze ngaidinga wano wemwetaaga ati osobola nga bwe ngaidinze swanzako nga bwe ngaidinze Chameleon nga bwe ngaidinze abantu.